there is a star cluster called Kimah. It is also known today as the Pleiades. By the way, in Japanese it is called Subaru. You might recognize the Subaru logo. It features those 6 stars. This is the Kimah star cluster. With the naked eye, you can see 6 stars when the sky is clear, and a person with very sharp vision can distinguish a 7th star or even an 8th. The Talmud asks, what is Kimah? Samuel said, Samuel was one of the greatest of the Amoraim. There are about 100 stars in Kimah. And Rashi here writes that this is the power of Kimah, the central stars of Kimah. In other words, there are actually even more, and that's a wonder. Samuel once went to space, but he says, this is what we were taught. A few decades ago, NASA launched the Hubble Space Telescope. When it was aimed at the direction of Kimah, the image it captured was amazing. It turned out that while there are the 8 major stars, there are many stars in the cluster, about 100 large stars, and even more than that. Samuel testified about himself. The paths of the sky are clear to me because of their vastness. He said, I am familiar with the paths of the heavens, the star systems, just as I am familiar with the paths of the city in which I live, the city of Nehardea. When studying the Torah repeatedly, one can always find new wisdom and insights in it.